All right, guys, I want to do like just a quick Q&A for you guys, some Q&A questions that I get. You said one of the questions was, how do you actually buy the VIX? For me, personally, guys, I like to buy options on the VIX. That was actually Scott Vether. Fruitfast77, you said, thanks, John, for the update. I was out of the stock market on April 14th because I was afraid of the crash. I was wrong. Looking at the monthly charts, it's very bullish. At the moment it is, but you've got to be able to mold and bend. That's what a good trader does, mold and bend. It might look bullish now, but in a few weeks, if we start to get a bit more of a downturn with what I've been saying the last couple of months, that is not a bullish sign. So please remember that, fruit fast. What the market does, the people like you who get out of the markets and so afraid, they do this to fool people that right now is a perfect time to get in, and then they pop it. So be careful of that. The market starts to turn, it's going to turn really quickly, and this is going to be a false breakout, and then that what was bullish is now going to turn really bearish. Be sensible with your stops as well too. You know, if this turns, get out quickly. You'd rather have a tight stop than a bigger stop. You said, so I was late, but got back in 20% of my account 2 days ago at 21.50. Yellen won't raise rates to help put Hillary in the White House. With no rate hike, markets won't crash, but we'll get money from overseas coming into the United States markets to treasuries. S&P 23 easily by the 2300 by the end of the year. Let's have a look at this here. So I'm just looking at my charts right now, guys. S&P 100, 2300 by the end of the year. Okay, if that's what you believe, but be smart about your trading decisions. If you're true about what they say and we start to get a turn, go back to my last couple of updates. If we do start to get that turn and we break below those support levels, that 2300 will not happen. It's just not going to happen. All right. By the end of the year, stocks and gold will go up together for the rest of the year. Well, I believe gold and silver is going to go up. Yeah, you will lose your time premium on your puts. Just my opinion. Again, no, it's not about me losing time premium on my puts. What it's about is this. It's about being smart about my trading decisions, right? So even if my smaller positions with my puts are good, with my biggest short position, my big short position that I'm looking to put on real soon, then what I'm doing there is I'm waiting for the right choice. And I'm telling you right now, if I go short that big position, you do not want to be long, because I really wait for the perfect time. Doesn't mean I'm going to get the timing right, but around that time, if I look at my trade over 12 months, that's fine. Yes, you're going to lose time premium on that sort of stuff, but even if I'm in the trade for 6 months and then we get a big crack, guess what? It's all worth it. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time. Richie Rich said, "You're great, bro. Love the videos. Time to get into some Bitcoin." Well, you know, if you like Bitcoin, get into Bitcoin. I prefer to have my money in silver or SLV and the sort of the metals. I think they're long term better than Bitcoin. That's just my opinion. The fat lady's about to start singing. I believe so as well. Eric said, "I really enjoy your videos, John. Your enthusiasm is the best part. It's contagious, John, and I hope you keep it up. Much appreciated with you." Thank you, Eric. I appreciate that. Henrik said, "Don't short the S&P 500." We'll see about that. Okay, we'll see about that. Again, give it a couple of months. I'm not short the S&P 500 now. I am still short, by the way, with my put options. But my big short that I'm looking to put on, I'm not short now. But if certain patterns happen, don't you long the market? I talked about an article about the biggest crash. You said, where can I download and read this article? This article was at Zero Hedge. So Zero Hedge, if you go to one of their articles and scroll down the bottom, they have a link there. You can actually download that. Just me, Yvonne. Hey Yvonne, how you doing? You said, could be wrong, but I think Obama's going to continue artificially shorting up the economy, then like the globalists punished investors for voting in Brexit, then similar punishment investors to when Trump is elected. All hell is going to break loose for a time, but Trump will regain it, and then he will then set up prosperity. Maybe. We'll see about that, Yvonne. Next question here is, how do you roll over your VIX positions? What does that even mean? All right, good question. Looking at my VIX trade right now, I have September, October expiration dates on my VIX trades. What I'm looking to do is I'm looking to close them down and reopen the same amount of money, but obviously looking at December or January option. So I'm closing down but reopening it back up again on those particular trades. So basically rolling over simply means you're closing it and reopening it and moving it forward from there. So sometimes the platform, when you close it and reopen it, you're looking at the worst position. I wouldn't try to do it in one go. I would just, what I like to do is I like to sell my call options on the VIX and get the best price I can, and then buy it again, using the extra longer term date. What I mean by that is that sometimes the platform, they can buy and sell at the exact same time. When that happens, you buy at the worst price and you sell at the worst price and you buy at the worst price. So you're selling at the lowest price and you're buying at the highest price on the spread. I recommend not doing that. I recommend individually doing it. That way you're saving it. You're getting a better price when you sell it, and you're getting a better price when you buy it, and that all adds up at the end of the day. So let's see. Do I have any more questions here? You know what? That's about it, guys. So anyway, John, you mentioned the coaching program. What is this all about? Guys, you know, as you guys can see from my website, I don't really sell anything. Actually, I don't sell anything at all. Go to my website, it's all free. I just do this to help you guys out. You know what I mean? And that's just what I do. I do help you guys out. And then every now and then I open up a few spots for my coaching program, and then I just trade. That's all I do. So my coaching program is all about me helping you one-on-one and giving you my strategies and software and all that sort of stuff that I use to trade the markets. A lot of stuff that you guys don't see. All right, so you guys on YouTube land, you don't see half the thing. You don't even see even half of the things I actually do when I'm actually trading behind the scenes of the trades I'm getting into and stuff like that. I do share a lot of stuff with you, but not everything. Obviously, that's a lot of sacred stuff to me. But I really do share a lot of stuff with you to help you guys get ahead. So if you're interested in me coaching you personally, I'm going to be opening up a few spots in probably a couple of weeks time frame. I don't know, whenever I feel like it. I don't really need to open it up. And I'm definitely not going to have a trading business as such. I don't want a trading business. Having clients is a pain in the ass. I want dedicated people who I can personally train as a private client basis. That's who I'm only after. I'm not after selling you a package or that. That's just not me. I don't need to make money from the course to do well in this market, because I do really well from trading it, and I just want to share with you guys what I do. So if you're interested in me personally coaching you guys, then make sure you're on my email list. Make sure you go to the officialjohnhowe.com or officialjohnhowe.com and put your email in, and you'll get access to the free course and my daily updates and all that sort of stuff as well too. And then when I'm ready, when I open it, I generally open it to 3 to 5 people anyway. So because it's just me here. So I just help you guys out. If you're interested in that, then go to the website, put your email in, and I'll email you whenever I open it again, and then you have a chance. And they generally get filled up really, really quickly. And then I just close it down for another 6 months, maybe 12 months, and then we'll see how we go with that. So anyway, guys, bit of a Q&A for you guys to help you guys out. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.